Hey everyone, it's OJ here today, coming to you with another helpful quick tutorial on this time how to store Neo, how to stake Neo, because if you are holding Neo for a longer period of time, Neo is a staking coin, so you are rewarded for supporting this project, the network, the whole community. So as a staking coin, you earn gas. And gas is basically the power, the gas of Neo. It is a separate token, it's called gas, and you can earn gas by holding it in the right places. Now, if you have bought your Neo from, say, an exchange like Bittrex, they don't pay you the gas that you earn for staking Neo, for holding it. So that's why it's not a very good idea to be holding it in an exchange. There are a couple of exchanges that award you the gas that you earn, and these are Binance and KuCoin. KuCoin is probably the easiest right now to become a member if you are not a member, and Binance is also opening for every day. They open for new members, but they're actually right now they're having a big flow of new members, so it's a little bit more difficult to open an account for Binance than it is for KuCoin. So these are the, if you are trading it, if you're going to only hold it for, a couple of months and you want to open some positions and have them already, place some sell orders or stuff like that, you can try KuCoin or Binance, but definitely no point keeping it in Bittrex. It's just you're not earning anything. So what I'm doing is I'm moving Neo from Bittrex that I have purchased already to Binance and to KuCoin, and then some of it I am putting on a hard wallet in a cold storage, which is the Ledger Nano S. Now with Ledger Nano S, they have an application that basically synchronizes Ledger Nano S with the client, the wallet that they have provided, which you can find on their official website. And also there is an even easier way if you don't have the Ledger Nano S and you want to be holding Neo and you don't really want it to be on an exchange. You can go to another service called NeoTracker, which basically started as a blockchain explorer. And it's this application here. It's literally a blockchain explorer. You can paste here any wallet address and or transaction, and you can trace what is what is the status of the transaction and other details. So you can see here the latest transactions. You can also see the blocks that are being mined and at what proximity and everything. So this is what this is doing. But on top of it, you can actually have a wallet application that it says here that it's basically just generating a private key and an address. And then you interact with the blockchain to actually receive your Neo or gas. And it basically has the same functionality of a wallet. So what I can do here is, let's start with this option because it's probably the easiest. I'm not really needing to show you how to transfer Neo from Bittrex to Binance or to KuCoin. I'm pretty sure you would know how to do that. So if you want to grab the links for this, below the video, you will find the links for all of the websites. This is NeoTracker.io. And if you want to use that, what you will need to do is generate a new wallet. You will click here, and the first thing you will do is, enter your own password. This should be a difficult password, so make sure that, and also use a password that you would remember, or maybe write it down somewhere, but it shouldn't be the password that you use for everything else, just because I always advise have a different password for everything. In case that one of your passwords is compromised, it cannot unlock any other accounts than just one. So have a different password every time. So the first thing actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to open a blank notepad document. Here I'm going to just enter the things that I will need to keep for safekeeping. And then this file I will be keeping on a USB, not stored on my computer, so that if my computer gets compromised, that information, this wallet, is still safe. So here I'm going to put my password, and I'm going to blur that, of course. Now I'm copying and pasting it here. Click on create, and now I'll have to download this key store. This file will later on help me to unlock that wallet. I can also unlock it with a private key, but it's important to download this file, and I will download it on the desktop for the moment. Okay, you can see it here. So this is now the key store file that I will need to unlock my wallet. Okay, now I'm ready to continue, and the next thing is to save this private key. So I'm copying that, coming back to this document here, and this is my private key. Okay, so now the next step. Okay, at this point I can print it as a paper wallet, and this is how it's going to look like. This is my private key here. This is my public address. When I'm receiving coins, I will have to share this address with people, and this private key is what unlocks this address, what points out in the blockchain. It points to this address so that, you know, in the blockchain my funds are recorded and they can be read through this private key. This is why with this private key I will be unlocking the wallet. Let's go back here. I'm going to click continue, and now this is my wallet. I'm already reading the data. I have, this is the wallet address. It shows me that there's no transactions or anything, and here I can also see my wallet address if I need to copy and paste it, and that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy that. I'll come back to this document again, and here I will put my public address is that. Okay, so now I have my password that unlocks my wallet, my public address that I will be sharing with people to send money to, and this is the private key that will be unlocking this address. So I have basically two keys, the password and the private key will be unlocking this wallet. So this is now a file that I need to save, and I'm going to save it for the moment on the desktop as well. I will call it Neo Wallet. Okay, so let's see how this works. So currently I have 0 in this wallet. I did create another wallet yesterday where I have 1 Neo. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer it to this wallet, and also I will be claiming the gas from yesterday so that you can see how all of these things work. Let's go to Open Wallet. And now, if I want to open my wallet from yesterday, I need to grab the key store file that I downloaded yesterday. Or I can do it through the private key. And let me show you how the key store file works. Okay, so now I need to select the wallet file, and it's this one, and it's this one. You can see that here it ends with .keystore. So this is what I'm going to select. I click on Open. And now I need to enter my password as well. Okay, and unlock. Right, so we can see that I have 1 Neo. This is from yesterday, and I've already earned some gas on it. So now I can claim this, and I will first, and after that I will send this from this wallet, which is A, Q, K, and so on, into the one that I just created. So let's do that. First, I'm going to claim gas. So now this is in process. Wait for confirmations of claim. As soon as this is confirmed, it will be added here to this amount here, and I will see it. And then after that, I will go and I will make the transaction, which is basically here I will have to go to transfer. I will enter the new address, the amount that I want to send, and I will click on send. So now I have 1 Neo, and I have some tiny bits of gas that I've earned. Okay, and I'm already starting to earn gas for the last few seconds. Right, so let's go and transfer that. 1 Neo I will be sending, and just to make sure that I am with the right address, let's paste this address here and see what we can see currently. It has 0 Neo and 0 gas. That's what I can see on this address AF6. Right. Okay, so let's go and paste it here. I want to transfer one Neo, confirm. Okay, and now I'm going to come here and I will just wait. And once I can see on the blockchain that this is received, then I will go and I will unlock this wallet so that we can see the details. Also, I will transfer gas. Let's go now and see. Well, it's still showing me one Neo because it hasn't updated. Oh, it's already updated. Fine. So now what I need to do is claim this, transfer this gas to the new wallet. Okay, so now I'm transferring gas. And this is the wallet that I want to send it to. Okay. And that's done as well. Okay, so in the meantime, I've received one Neo here. Now I'm going to be waiting for gas, but I can go and unlock this wallet. So let's go to wallet. And it is this one, AF6. And now I can see that I've received both. Let's go to the other wallet. The other wallet is now empty. And the new wallet is the one that has both Neo and gas. And now I will keep earning gas here. Every now and then I will go and I will just click on that button to claim it. And that's how it works. It's a light client. It's very quick and very easy. Okay, if you are, however, holding Ledger and you have that device, it makes sense that you would want to use it. So this is the third option that I'm going to go through here. There is a client that you can download directly from the Neo website, and it's the Neon wallet. This is the one that synchronizes with Ledger. So let's go and have a look what you need to do to get that. First, you will go to the website, the link again below the video, you can grab it from there. And you will click on download. When you click on download, you are sent to this page here where you can choose the file that you need to download. You will be going according to your operating system. In my case, it's Windows. So I'm downloading the Neon setup Windows exec. When I click on that file, it's asking me to save it, and that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to run the exe file. It's also very quick. Now you have a choice of a few different ways to access this wallet, and in my case I will be using the Ledger. So this is what I'm going to choose. You can also log in using a private key or encrypted key, a saved wallet. You can create a new wallet and you encrypt an existing key, manage the settings. These are all of the options that you have here. Now, if I want to log in using a private key, what I can do is just click here and let me grab my private key for this address. Is the same one that I just transferred the one Neo into. So let's enter that here and see what I'm going to see. Exactly the same thing. So I'm able to access my wallet with this application, and I'm also able to do it directly with this NeoTracker application. It's the same wallet and the same private key, just two different ways to access it. Now, if I haven't created a wallet, and now it's going to be the first one that I'm creating, and I want to synchronize it with the Ledger, let's go and do that. I'm opening the application again. This time I'm going to log in using Ledger Nano S. I need to grab the cable. Let's connect it. Now here I will have to select the Neo wallet, and if you haven't downloaded it first, that's what you need to do. It's one of the applications that you have on your application manager on the Ledger Nano S. So hopefully you know how to do that. Let me just quickly show you. This is the application manager, and you will just scroll down here. You will find Neo and you will click here to download it. Once you download it, it will be here on the device. So from that point on, you will exit this and you will confirm that you are opening Neo. And then we're following this here. Use Ledger Nano S. And there you go. It looks exactly the same as the wallet that I opened with the private key that I created earlier without this device. So it is a very simple and easy user-friendly application. You can use it with this device because if you have it already, it just adds another layer of security, because you have to, unlock this device with your password. So it's kind of, if you already have it, you don't really need to have a new wallet with a new password or anything. You will be connecting it with this one. But if you don't have the device, you can still use this wallet and it's still going to be quite safe. And it's not a cloud storage. It's just recorded on the blockchain. This application is the connection between you as a user and the blockchain where the information is stored, so that the correct amount of coins could be allocated to you as the user. That is pretty much what the private key is doing. It's unlocking that information. So here you can send and receive. If you need to grab your wallet, you will click on receive, and this is your wallet. You can just click on that icon here to copy it, and then you can go to Bittrex and you can send your coins directly here. So that's what I'm going to do. This is my public address. I will copy that public address. I will come here to Bittrex. I will paste it. I will select, the amount of NEO that I want to send. Let's do that. I will try with 5 NEO, just, to test it. By the way, you have to work with full numbers with NEO. So let's add here 5.025. And I just need to confirm that. Okay, and that's it from Bittrex. It's probably going to take a few minutes, maybe 10, 15 or something like that, and the transaction will be received. As I said, from Bittrex, I don't get the gas, so only after the money comes in here, I'm going to start earning gas from that point on. So the fact that I've had this NEO for the last few months doesn't really help me because I was keeping it in Bittrex. Okay, and in fact it was just over a minute, less than 2 minutes, and the transaction is already showing up here. So from now on I will be earning gas, and I will be claiming it every now and then, maybe every week or something, every couple of weeks. I will just have to click on that button here to claim that gas. Okay, so that's about it. Before I log out, before I close it, I would log out from here. Okay, so that was my quick tutorial on how to safely store and stake your NEO and earn some gas. I hope this is helping to you guys, and if you like the video, give me the thumbs up or share it with other people who might also benefit from seeing this. Thanks for watching, and I'm gonna see you in the next one.